Realme launched its new affordable smartphone under C series in Vietnam called Realme C65, and it looks quite similar to Samsung's Galaxy S22 smartphone. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme C65 features a tall 6.67-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 625 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Realme C65 sports a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center with f2.05 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also comes with Mini Capsule 2.0 feature for notifications. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.6 by 76.1 by 7.64mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme C65 has been priced in Vietnam for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 3,690,000 Vietnamese dong, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 4,290,000 Vietnamese dong. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 4,790,000 Vietnamese dong. The smartphone is now up for sale in the country in purple nebula and black Milky Way color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme C65 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.